Wondering how you view the ADCP data you've collected with your Sonardyne ADCP? Keep watching to find out. Origin Viewer, or ADCP data visualization software, provides a simple and intuitive user interface to inspect heat maps of a variety of ADCP data, including water velocities and backscatter intensities. It also allows heat map data to be visualized as individual depth slices and time series, providing a more detailed view of the water properties. Origin Viewer can be installed on both Windows and Linux operating systems, and it works with any of our products with ADCP capability, including SPRINT-nav and Syrinx DVL, as well as the Origin ADCP products. Let's show you what it can do. When you start the application, you'll see this splash screen. You can click the question mark to download the user manual or access Sonardyne support details. You can also click this selector to change the theme to suit your environment. Origin Viewer gives you 4 ways to work with the data. You can load in a single file, load in a directory of files, stream data from a device, or stream and log data arriving from a device. To load in a single file, select File and navigate to the file you'd like to view. Once you click Load, you'll then be able to see a heat map that allows you to zoom in and out of the data. The plots at the side and bottom show depth and time slices through the data at the location of the cursor. The plot at the top is a metadata plot. You can select which data to view here, such as temperature, heading, pitch, or roll. You can also view relevant metadata by clicking this Show Metadata button up here. If you aren't interested in seeing these additional plots, just click this Main Plot Only box. Under Masking, you'll see this Mask Beyond Bottom feature. This allows you to blank out data from below the seabed like this. You can transform the velocity data between frames of reference, or if you want to dive beyond velocity, you can instead visualize backscatter intensity or cross-correlation scores by selecting the different options in this side panel under Plotting Options. If you find some interesting data you want to share, just hit Ctrl+S and a snapshot of the screen will be saved automatically to your Downloads folder. If you want to save a CSV, just select Download CSV. Load in a directory of files, select Mission and navigate to the folder of data you'd like to view. Origin Viewer will concatenate and decimate the data to give an overview. The heat map and metadata components can be zoomed in or out of as required, which will load and resolve those areas of the mission up to the captured resolution. To stream data, select Stream to open the Stream Options dialog box and input the required settings, then click Connect. The heat map will then start populating with data. The logging feature allows the data stream to be logged from a connected device to the local storage, in addition to or instead of logging data on the device itself. This means that you never have to worry about the on-device internal storage getting full or data getting lost. To log data arriving from the device through Origin Viewer's logging capability, click Logging and input the required information. The rollover limit is the maximum file size for the logged data until the next file is created. Click Start. Once logging is started, it will continue to run in the background even if you close the browser window and can only be stopped explicitly in the application. Logging and streaming data can be done at the same time. Origin Viewer is supplied as standard with every Origin ADCP, Syrinx and SPRINT-nav. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please get in touch via sonardyne.com or your local Sonardyne office. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with everything new from Sonardyne. Thanks for watching.